Welcome to Unique Vidya Bhavan online classes. Hello everyone. I hope all are fine. Today I am going to teach you about a computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine which is made of different parts like the keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor and printer. Different parts of the computer that you can see on screen. This is a monitor. This is a keyboard. This is a CPU. This is a mouse. This is a printer. Each of these parts has a special function to perform. A computer is used to write, draw, do some, play games, listen to music and watch cartoon films and movies. With the help of computer, you can write, you want to write, you can draw any picture, you can do some, play games, you can listen music and watch cartoon films and movies. It works very fast. It does not make mistakes. It makes our work very easy. It can remember many things. It reduces our physical and mental efforts. In school or at home, you do sums, learn poems by heart, memorize dates. This needs a lot of mental efforts. And so we use computer which helps us to do our work easily, quickly and without any mistakes. Parts of our computer. Each and every part of computer has a special function to perform. First, monitor. This is a monitor. The device that looks like a TV screen is called a monitor. This is a monitor. It looks like a TV screen. Whatever you are typing with the help of keyboard that you can see on monitor. If you typing your name that you can see on monitor. The information or the output that is produced by the CPU is display on the monitor. Next, CPU. This is a CPU. Full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. The CPU contains the CPU and many other parts that are needed to run a computer. The CPU is called the brain of the computer. When we enter data into the computer, the CPU processes it and gives the output. Because of that, the CPU is called the brain of the computer. Almost everything is done by the CPU. The monitor, keyboard, mouse and the printer are connected to the CPU box with cables. Next, keyboard. This is the keyboard. The keyboard is used to enter data into computer. With the help of keyboard, you can enter data into computer. If you are typing your name by pressing keys, that you can type with the help of keyboard. There are many keys on keyboard. Number keys, letter keys and symbol keys. Next, mouse. This is a mouse. The mouse is a small plastic device with two or three buttons on it. It is kept on mouse pad. Mouse is a plastic device with two or three buttons on it. There are three buttons like left button, right button and scroll button. We can give input through mouse by clicking, holding, dragging mouse button. Next, printer. This is a printer. The output can be printed on paper with help of a printer. The printer can print words as well as picture. If you want to print words, picture or any documents that you can print on paper with the help of printer. Next, speaker. Speakers are used to listen music. These are speakers. Speakers are used to listen music. Thank you.